Italy's Public Transportation Guide. This guide will explain Italy's public transportation option. With ancient ruins and stunning coastlines, Italy beckons millions of travelers each year. Watch this guide and you'll confidently use public transport for your Italian adventure.
First, essential universal tips for Italy's transport. Always buy your ticket before boarding any bus, tram, or metro. For trains and ferries, tickets are purchased at the station. Tabaccarie, marked T, are best for urban transport tickets. Automated vending machines are at stations, offering multiple languages. Newsstands, or edicola, also sell public transport tickets. For intercity trains, book online via Trenitalia or Italo. Local transport apps allow digital ticket purchases or QR validation. Moonigo and iTaxi are popular apps for local transport. Validate your ticket immediately to avoid hefty fines. For buses, trams, metro, use yellow-green machines or scan QR codes. Regional train tickets must be validated on the platform. High-speed train tickets with reservations do not require validation.
Single tickets are time-limited. Understanding fares is key. Day or multi-day passes offer excellent value for urban transport. Regional trains are cheaper but slower. High-speed trains offer both comfort and speed. Essential apps: Google Maps, Trenitalia, Italo Treno, Free Now.
Google Maps is indispensable for planning routes and schedules.
Trenitalia, Italo Treno for trains. Moonigo, My Cicero for local tickets. Free Now or iTaxi orders licensed taxis in major cities.
Urban transport is essential for longer distances in Italian cities.
Buses and trams. Purchase your ticket from a tabacceria, newsstand, or vending machine. Look for signs indicating bus or tram stops. Validate on board. For digital tickets, scan the QR code. Exiting. Press the Stop button well in advance of your desired stop. Trams are often more reliable than buses as they run on fixed tracks and are less affected by traffic. Pricing. Typically around $150, $250 for a single ride. Taxis and ride sharing. Look for white cars with a taxi sign on the roof and a meter inside. They typically queue at designated taxi stands such as train stations, major squares, and airports. Fares are metered plus potential surcharges for luggage, night service, holidays, or calling ahead. Avoid unlicensed taxis. Never accept rides from unofficial drivers soliciting you, especially at airports or train stations. Ride sharing. Uber Free Now. Uber is limited in Italy. In Rome and Milan, Uber Black and similar premium services operates using licensed professional drivers, so it's more expensive than standard taxis. Uber Pop X, private drivers, is largely unavailable due to local regulations.
Metro systems offer the fastest way to navigate larger cities. Rome's metro lines A and B connect major attractions. Milan's metro has 5 lines connecting key areas. Buses and trams form the backbone of urban transport. Signal the driver and validate your ticket immediately. City tourist passes offer unlimited transport and museum entry. Official taxis are white with a taxi sign and meter. Intercity travel is best by train with Trenitalia and Italo. Trenitalia's high-speed Le Frecce trains connect major cities. Book ahead.
Regional trains are slowest, cheapest, requiring platform validation. Italo Treno offers modern, comfortable high-speed services. Intercity buses are a cheaper, slower alternative for some routes. Venice's Vaporetto are essential for navigating canals and islands. Ferries are vital for the Amalfi Coast and Italian lakes. Funiculars and cable cars provide transport and panoramic views. From Rome Fiumicino International Airport, FCO, Leonardo Express train reaches main railway station in Rome, called Termini, in 32 minutes for €14. Bus shuttles from FCO to Termini cost €6 to €7, taking 55 to 70 minutes. Taxis from Fiumicino Airport to the city center have a fixed rate of €55. From Milan International Airport, Malpensa MXP, Malpensa Express train costs €13 to Cadorna or Milan Centrale Station. Bus shuttles from Malpensa to Milan Centrale cost €10, taking 50 to 60 minutes. Taxis from Malpensa to Milan city limits have a fixed rate of €104. Milan Secondary Airport, Line 8, Lin, is closer. M4 Metro reaches San Babila in 12 minutes for €2.20. Navigating Italy's public transportation is rewarding with preparation. Buy and validate tickets and use apps like Google Maps. Italy's public transport network is your gateway to adventure. Buon viaggio. This guide is courtesy of Palola Telemedicine for medical assistance in Italy. English-speaking doctors available 7 days a week for medical consultation and prescriptions, refills. Travel with peace of mind, knowing expert care is a click away. Go to palola.com to read our blog on dozens of interesting issues for travelers in Italy.